What if the end doesn't come from Earth, but from space? These 7 catastrophic space events could wipe out humanity, and some of them are already happening. Subscribe to CuriosityTales for more spine-chilling space mysteries and mind-blowing facts. New videos every week. Let's count them down from number 7 to the number 1 most terrifying event in the universe. Number 7. The rogue planet strike. Imagine a giant planet wandering the galaxy and crashing straight into Earth. Rogue planets, untethered by any star, are real, and if one enters our solar system, it could throw off orbits or smash us to bits. No warning, just annihilation. Number 6. The gamma ray burst. The most powerful explosion in the universe. If one hit Earth, it would strip away our ozone layer and fry everything with radiation. It could happen from a dying star, and we wouldn't see it coming until we were already toast. Number 5. The expanding sun. Our sun is stable for now, but in 5 billion years, it will become a red giant and swallow Mercury, Venus, and maybe Earth too. The oceans will boil, the sky will turn red, and life as we know it will vanish. Number 4. The cosmic impact. Remember the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs? That was small compared to what's out there. A massive asteroid could slam into Earth with the force of 1 million nuclear bombs. NASA tracks many, but not all. Number 3. The Galactic Collision. The Milky Way and Andromeda are on a collision course. In 4 billion years, they'll crash into each other, warping space and flinging stars across the galaxy. Earth might survive, or be tossed into deep space. Number 2. The Vacuum Decay. This one's terrifying. Quantum physics says our universe might be in a false vacuum, and if it collapses, a bubble of death would expand at light speed, erasing everything. No pain, no warning, just gone. Number 1. The heat death of the universe. The most chilling fate of all. No explosions, no drama. Just a slow, freezing death as stars burn out and galaxies go dark. Eventually, all matter decays. The universe becomes a cold, empty void, forever. Which of these events freaked you out the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you're into space, danger, and mysteries of the universe, subscribe to CuriosityTales and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next mind-blowing video. Until then, stay curious and keep watching the skies.